In 1982, a young Air Force pilot is on a routine flight over central Portugal when suddenly he spots a fast-moving UFO.
Longitude 8900.
Guerra has since retired from the Air Force and is reluctant to talk about this incident. But in 2009, he told his story to journalist Leslie Kane.
After turning his plane around, he was watching this thing, and all of a sudden, it shot up in about 10 seconds, really, really fast, shot up just so that it was level with his airplane and just stopped.
The pilot immediately radios back to base to find out if there are any other aircraft in his airspace.
Claro que da base responderam-lhe que não. Mas esta conversa rádio foi ouvida por os outros aviões, porque a esquadrilha dele também estava a operar ali perto, em várias outras zonas. E todos eles ouviram este reporte via rádio.
Guerra waits for his fellow pilots to arrive. For 15 minutes, he's all alone. The mysterious aircraft is circling him. Finally, the other chipmunk arrives, and Guerra's sighting is confirmed by his two colleagues.
Imagine a flying hamburger, two halves with a grid. One was like no color in it, so raw metal, as you see there. And the other was kind of a reddish, red wine color, you know?
And just kept flying these big loops around them. And because it was between the two planes, they were able to estimate the size of the object at about 8 to 10 feet.
E pronto, e começou ali mais uma caça do gato e do rato à volta do objeto.
The thing went above his plane and just stopped right above his plane.
Crazy maneuver. And off it went, just like, well, an amazing speed, and we lost it.
The calculations reveal the UFO accelerated at more than twice the speed of sound. But an aircraft breaking the sound barrier always leaves a telltale sign.
In the atmosphere, that should cause a sonic boom. No sonic boom was heard by the people living below us.